Morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have revision, grade 7, quarter 2. So let's here start. I have here write all factors of the numbers. So if you give me 29 and you ask me the factors of 29, it means that 1 multiplies what gives me 29. 1 multiplies 29. 2 multiplies what gives you 29? No, it can't be. Why? Because 29 it's not divisible by 2. How can I know? Here this is odd. The ones here 9 is odd. So I'm not going to take it. Is it even? So it will be divisible by 2. What about 3? Yes, 3. We have here I can say 29 is divisible by 3. No, it can't be. Why? Because if we add the two digits here, 2 plus 9 gives you what? 2 plus 9 gives you 11. So 11, it's not divisible by 3. Okay, so this is not divisible by 3. 29 in table 4? No. In table 5? No, we don't have here neither 0 nor 5. We don't have 0 or 5. So this is in table 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. So 9, no. So it's just here 1 multiplies 29. 1 multiplies 29. This means what, my dear students? This means the two factors are 1 and 29 for the number 29. If I ask you here 34. Okay, let's see. 1 multiplies what gives you 34? 1 multiplies 4. 2 multiplies what gives you 34? Is it here divisible by 2? We have here even number. Even number in the ones, so it's divisible by 2. 3 divided 2 gives me 1. Okay, and 14 divided 2 gives me 7. So we have here 17. What about 3? Is it divisible by 3? Let's see together. 3, if we add 3 plus 4 gives me 7. This 7, it's not divisible by 3. So no, we can't take 3. We can't take 3. Okay, 4. We have in table 4 something. 34 divided 4 gives you? No, it can't be. It's not in table 4. Table 5, okay, not in table 5. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. So we have here the factors are 1 times 34, 2 times 17. So the factors, my dear students, as you see here, 1 and, yes, 1 and here 1 and 34, and we have also the other one 2 times 17. We have here tell the number, is it prime or composite? Here he asks me, is the number is if the number is prime or composite. Remember that the prime number that has just two factors. Remember with me, prime numbers that just has just two factors. What about the composite that has more than two factors? 98. I tell myself, what's here the factors of 98? 98, my dear students, is 98 multiplies 1, and it's 2 times what? 2 times why 2? Because it's even. Here the ones is even, so it can be divided by 2. 98 divided by 2 gives me what? I do it here to myself. 98 divided by 2, 90 divided by 2 gives you the nearest thing is what? 4. 4 times 2, 8, and we have here remainder 1. Take 1 down, we have 18 divided 2, 6. So 6 here, okay, gives me 18. Then I have here the answer will be, the answer will be 46. So you have here 46. 98 divided by 3. Can I say divided by 3? Add the two digits together. 9 plus 8 gives you 17. No, it's not in table 3. So we are not going to take table 3. What about table 4? I can't remember. Do it. It's easy. I have here 98 divided by 4. We will write it, okay? We will erase all of this and write it again. 98 divided 4. Okay, my dear, it's not like this. It's very easy. 9 divided 4, the nearest thing is 2. 2 times 4, 8. So we've got here 1. 18. 18 divided 4 gives you, the nearest thing is what? The nearest thing here is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So we have remainder. So this is not divisible by 4. What about 5? No, it's not divisible by 5 because the ones here, it's not 0 or 5. What about 6? Do it. 98 divided 6. Okay, again. I do like this in my exam. 98 divided 6. 9 divided 6. The nearest thing is, yeah, 3 times 6. No, it's not 3. Let it be 2. 2 times 6 gives you 12. So I can say 2. Let it be 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Here the difference 3, and this is 8. 38 divided 6. The nearest thing, 6 times 6, 36. So I can't take this because we have remainder, we have decimal here. So it's not divisible by 6. What about here? What about here? What about 7? What about 8? What about 9? But here he asks me, is it prime or composite? So I don't have to do all of this. Once it has more than 2 factors, we said 1 times 98. And what else? We said here the other one. We said that it's 2 times what? We said, so once it has more than 2 factors, here 1 times 98 and 2 times 49, so it's what? A composite number. It's a composite number. The difference between the prime and the composite, prime number has just 2 factors. One multiply the same number, but the composite has more than 2 factors. Like here we have 41. This 41 is what? 41 here, it's a prime or, yes, it's a prime number. 1 just multiplies 41 gives you 41. Okay, so I can't find it in any other here timetables. Okay, in this question, find the greatest common factor. How can I solve it? It's very easy. I have here 42 and 90. So 42 here, I will make prime factorization. I will make prime factorization. Or by listing, it's okay. So 42 divided 2 gives you what? 4 divided 2 gives me 2. 2 divided 2 gives me 1. 21 divided what? Here, divided 3 gives you 7. Divided 7 gives you 1. So I have here 2, 3, and 7. What about here 90? 90 divided? Yes, divided 3. I can't say divided 9 because 9 composite number and I need here just the prime numbers. 90 divided 3 equals 30. Divided 3 gives me 10. Divided 2, 5. Divided 5, 1. So we have got here 3, 3, 2, 5, and here 2, 3, and 7. So we are going to take here just the repeated ones. The greatest common factor, take just the repeated. Where are the repeated numbers? 3 and 3. 2, 2. Do we have any repeated? Oh, no, we don't. So I'm going to take 2 multiplies 3, which is 6. So the greatest common factor here, just the repeated factors for the 2 numbers. Okay, let's do another one now. We have 34 and 68. What should I do? I'm doing what, my dear students? I am here. Okay, I'm here. Number 2. I'm doing what? I am here prime factorization. I'm doing prime factorization. 34 and 68. 34 divided 2. 3 divided 2 gives me 1. Okay, and I have extra 1. 14 divided 2 gives me 7. Okay, 17. Okay, 17, it's a prime number, so I'm going just to divide it by the same 17. Here, 68 divided 2. 6 divided 2 gives me 3. 8 divided 2 gives me 4. 34 divided 2, my dear students, and it will be like this, the same. 17 and then 17 gives you 1. So we have here, what are the repeated? 2 repeated, 17 repeated, but I'm not going to take this because it's not repeated. 2 multiplies 17, so I'm going to take just the repeated. 2 multiplies 17, which gives me 34. So I'm going to take here 2 multiplies 17, okay? 2 multiplies 17, they are repeated, just we take the repeated. So the answer will be 34. Okay? Okay. We have here match the equivalent fractions. It's very easy one. If I say 8 over 12 and I have here fractions, I need to know what's here the equivalent fractions for that. Okay, let's see it together step by step. How can I solve the equivalent fraction? Remember, my dear students, get all of that in the simplest form. It's very easy. 8 over 12 divided what and divided what? Divided 2, divided 2. So it gives you 8 divided 2 gives you what? Gives you 4. 12 divided 2, 6. Leave it like this? No, it has to be simplified more. 4 divided 2 gives you 2. 6 divided 2 gives you 3. So the first one will be here 2/3. The first one will be 2/3. What about here this one? Let's see, make it like this. So this is in the simplest form 4 over 5, and this is 2/3. And this is in the simplest form 4 over 5. 6 over 8, no, it can be simplified. Divided 2 gives you 3, divided 2 gives you 4. So the third one, it's in the simplest form, this one. And this one, 4 over 9, in the simplest form. This one, 24 over 30, no, it can be, yes, it can be simplified. 24 divided 6, can it be divided 6 and down also divided 6? What I do up, I do down. The denominator, I will do for the numerator. Divided 6, 6 divided 20, 24 divided 6, 6 times 4 equal 24. 30 divided 6 gives you 5, okay? Can you see? I can here match now. 2 with A. 24 over 54. What are the common here? 24 and 54 in table 6. 24 divided 6 gives you 6 times 4 equal 24. This is 4. 54 divided 6 gives you, remember, 9. So we have here common. What do you think? No, this is the simplest form. B will go with number 4. Look, it's very easy. Divided 5, the common here, divided 5, 2 over, yeah, 2 over 3. So where are 2 over 3 here? The first one. So this is the first one. And so on. It's very easy, my dear students, okay? Write two fractions that are equivalent to the given fractions. So what I'm doing here, simplify them. Divided by what? Divided by 2. 28 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. Over what? 44. What I do up in the numerator, I do for the denominator. Divided by 2 gives you here 22. Okay, he needs two equivalent fractions divided by what here? Okay, so I divided by 2 also, then divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. It gives you 7, 22 divided by 2, 11. So we have here two equivalent fractions, okay? Okay, we can solve just one or two examples from each here, questions. Okay, he asks here the LCM by listing multiples. Okay, we can do by listing, or it's more accurate to do it by prime factorization. So in this one, he wants to find the... So I solve Okay, my dear students, LCM. What does it mean? LCM means the least common multiple. The same steps as the greatest common multiple. So I'm doing prime factorization, okay, because it's more accurate. I'm using this because it's more accurate. So 75 and 105. 75 divided what? 5, of course. 7 divided 5, and I do like this in the steps. Okay, 7 divided 5, the nearest thing is what? Is 1. So 1. So 7. Okay, 7 divided 5, it's the nearest thing 1, and I have here 2. Okay, what's 2 here? The difference between 7 and 5. Some people don't know to do it just like this. They know how to do it like this. 75 divided 5, 7 divided 5 gives you 1. 1 times 5, 5. We have here 2, and we have here 5. So 25 divided 5, 5. So we got here just 5. Okay, I will write it here. So the answer 15 divided what? 5. 15 divided 5, 3. Divided 3 gives you 1, 1. So I have here 5, 5, and 3. What about 105? Let's do it. So we have here 5, 5, and 3. And what about here 105? Also divided 5. So we have, I want to make it with another color to make it clear for you. So 105 divided 5 gives you what? Okay, 10 divided 5, 2. 5 divided 5, 1. Okay, so 21 divided what? Divided 7 gives you 3. Divided 3 gives you 1. The least common factor, remember my dear students, I'm going to write 5 times 5 times 3. And this one, it will be what? This one will be... So I'm going here to take what? The repeated and the unrepeated. So here 5 is repeated. I will take 5, and I will take the other 5 here. Let it be with other color to make it clear. So I will take the repeated and also the unrepeated. Here 5 is repeated. Take it. 5 here unrepeated. Take it. Here 3 is repeated. Take it. Okay, 7 unrepeated. Take it. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 5, 25. 25 multiplies what? 25 multiply 3 times 7, 21. So multiply 25 times 21. 25, again here we write it, 25 times 21. So 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. Add here 0. 2 times 5, 10. 2 carry up here, 0 carry up 1. 2 times 2, 4, and 1, 5. What I'm doing here, adding. So we have here 5, 2, then 5. So the least common factor here is 525. Complete the statement using greater, less than, greater than, or equal. And this is very easy. If you have here this one, 3 over 4, and we have here 9 over 16. How can I compare here? Do the scissors, right? I can hear you. So what about this? 4 times 9 gives you what? 36. We all can do it. 16 times 3. So we multiply 16 times 3. 3 times 6, what? 18, right? 3 times 1, 3, 1, 4. So this is 48. This is 48. Which is greater? 48. Okay? It's easy. All of this, we do it like this. Which fraction is between 3 over 5 and 3 over 4? This one, my dear students, this one. Okay, let's see. I have to make the denominators the same to make common denominator. How can I do it? We have 5 times 4. Multiply 5 times 4, the denominators. So it's equal to 20. Remember this? Right here 20, right here 20. Then make cross multiplication. 4 times 3 gives you what? Gives you 12. 5 times 3 gives you 15. So I have here 12 over 20 and 15 over 20. Okay? So he asks you, what fraction is between both of them? Of course, what? 11 over 20. So the answer will be 11 over 20. Easy and interesting too, right? Okay, let's complete.